In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Linktree Shop. Linktree Shop is a simple way to showcase products directly on your Linktree, so people can browse and buy without hunting through a bunch of separate links. I'll walk you through setting it up from scratch step by step. First, open your browser and go to your Linktree admin. If you're not logged in yet, log into your Linktree account and you'll land on your admin dashboard where you usually manage your links. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the option labeled Shop. Click on that. This is where you'll manage everything related to your Linktree shop, including products and collections. You'll automatically land on the Manage tab. Here, click on the Add button. This is how you start adding items into your shop. When the options appear, select Product to add a new product. This tells Linktree that you're about to add a single item you want to feature, like a physical product, a digital download, or even a product page from another store. Next, click into the search bar or input field that appears and paste the link to your product. This could be a link from your online store, a marketplace listing, or another product page. Linktree will use this link to pull in details and direct your visitors to the right place when they click. Once that product is added, go back and click on Add Again. This time, choose Collection. Collections let you group related products together, which is really helpful if you have different categories or types of items. Type in a name for your collection. Make it clear and descriptive so visitors immediately understand what's inside. When you're happy with the name, click on Continue. You'll now see the option to choose which products go into this collection. Click on the products you want to include, or paste additional product links into the field if you need to bring in more items at this stage. After that, click on My Products. This section shows everything you've added so far. If you want to add more products, click on Add Again and paste more product links into the search field, just like before. When your products and collections are ready, click on Manage. Here, look for the toggle that controls whether your shop is live. Click the toggle to publish your shop. Once it's switched on, your Linktree shop is active and visible to your audience.